So things in the information technology world are changing these days, and they're changing fast. No longer is the IT team relegated to the basement. Now, technology has taken the driver's seat at your organization, and it's brought some new responsibilities along with it. It's not enough to just keep everyone on the internet anymore. Oh no, now it's your job to drive business success and accommodate every department's new tech wish list, all while balancing a tight budget. It's enough to make your head spin. Well, here's the good news. There are some simple tactics to help you take your technology investments to the next level. And all you have to do is redefine your IT strategy. You just have to look at your technology investments as a life cycle and manage them appropriately every step of the way. Think about it this way. The IT life cycle consists of procuring your technology hardware, implementing it, supporting it, and then decommissioning it. And you have the opportunity to maximize value at every stage of that life cycle. Come on, let's redefine your IT strategy together. It'll be great.